Hey, how's it going, everybody? We are here at Petrie Island, wandering about, and today I am playing with the Nikon Z7 with the 24-70 f4 kit lens. Shoots 4K video, shoots slow-mo at 120 frames a second. Focus system on this thing is bang on. It's got eye detect autofocus, face detect autofocus. So we're going to take a few shots around here and play around with this thing. Now this is the 24-70 lens. It's a kit lens, but it is a very nice kit lens. 24-70 is more for like portraits, landscape, scenery, stuff like that. Not very good for wildlife unless you're up close and personal. So right off the bat, you know I'm going to talk about it. You know I'm going to bitch about it. This flip up articulating type screen. Like, now it is full touchscreen, which is awesome. Navigate the menu and everything with the touchscreen. Finally, thank you Nikon for doing that. But this little flip up type thing, man, I'm not a fan. So, flip out, like, articulating screen. Yeah, I guess if you're doing down low, or if you're shooting up over top of the heads at a concert or something like that. You know, if I'm holding it, give me that strap. If I'm holding it like this, can't flip out the screen, can't see what I'm shooting. Not a fan. Okay, so I figured I'd try shooting some video with this guy. Gonna compare it to the GoPro. I love this old GoPro. Oh man, this thing is awesome. So, am I in focus? Am I in frame? I think so. Hard to tell. Just saying. We got a little bit of wind going on, so don't know how the audio is going to be. I'm trying not to slip and fall with this camera. It's not mine. Last thing I want to do is drop this thing in the snow. Would not be good. It's not my camera. This camera is nice and light and compact. It's not weighing me down like my big camera in my backpack here. It weighs a ton. One thing the Z7 does have, which is really nice, is the silent shooting. Like, got it set up here, silent shooting. And did you hear that? It is very, very quiet. The Nikon Z7, definitely a beautiful camera. Especially at 45 megapixels, you could crop in with that thing quite a bit. As for looking for wildlife at Petrie Island, oh my god, mission impossible. Nothing going on around here. Nature and landscapes, no wildlife. I go walking down this hill over here and I get greeted by this really creepy looking thing. Like, look at the eyebrows on it. Almost looks like horns or something. It does shoot 4K video up to 60 frames a second, although for some reason I can't figure out how to get to that. It also shoots 120 frames a second slow-mo at 1080p, which is really good. 45 point something megapixel camera. Like, this thing is spec'd out nicely, man. Like, 9 frames a second continuous shooting, and it is a bit pricey. I think with the kit lens right now you're looking around 4,000, 4,500 bucks, somewhere around there. I'd put it on a pro level camera range. I can't stand that menu system. Just trying to switch it into 4K video and can't figure that out. Went up and down the menu. Now I'm doing this out in the cold, right? I don't have a lot of time to fumble around with the menu system when I'm out in the cold. If they made their menu system a little bit easier to navigate, that'd make a world of difference. That's just my opinion, right? Opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one. Don't get me wrong. This is a great, great camera. Oh, there's a little mole. Or mouse. Oh, the little bugger got away. I don't think I got any shots of him either. Oh, red squirrel. This thing with this 24-70 lens, man, it's like hard to get shots of wildlife with this thing. Can't zoom in enough. Well, after playing with this thing for a little bit, the photos on this thing are tack sharp. Like, this thing is beautiful. Not sure about the video. Like I said, had trouble getting into 4K. Although 90% of the time I shoot 1080p. But I'd like to know how to get to 4K. Like, it should not be that complicated. Anyways, if you like these videos and you want to see more from me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy shooting.